Hi everyone, today we're going to be giving you a quick video on how to cut LEDs for a professional install. So all LED tapes come with predetermined cut points. They're easily identified by the copper solder pads and the black cut line across it. The actual cutting of the tapes is as easy as getting a good sharp pair of scissors and cutting accurately along that dashed line. Now this can look different depending on what tapes you've got, but the process remains the same throughout. Cut along the cut point and everything will work fine for you. Free cutting or cut anywhere tape is a recent development and allows you to cut anywhere along the length, meaning you don't have to end on a specific endpoint. This is ideal for exact, precise installations such as cabinetry lighting and other architectural projects. Same steps, good sharp pair of scissors and just cut straight across it.